Alright, today is September the 8th, 2015. We're looking at the water vapor loop for the Northeast Pacific. We've got Hurricane Linda in our sights today. And Hurricane Linda is a Category 3 storm right now with 125 mile per hour winds. And the storm is continuing to move to the northwest. Now, the way these high pressure patterns have set up, it doesn't look likely that this storm is going to continue up into this dry area and make a left turn. That doesn't seem likely. However, we do see a very strong high pressure right here. You can see that big dent in the bands of Linda right here, and we can see that it's pressing into this storm. So this is a very strong high pressure. It's being forced into this low pressure right here. So we've got a very strong high pressure here on basically right next to this 950 millibar hurricane right here. All right, so let's go look at the hurricane map right over here, and let's back up and look at the stats on this. And we see that that is a 951 millibar storm, 125 mile per hour winds, moving northwest at 14 miles per hour. All right, now. But yet we see this very strong high pressure, so strong that it's putting a dent in the outer bands right here. And over on this side, this high pressure here is so strong that the bands that you would expect to see all the way around that we see here should continue all the way around over on this side. But this is high pressure. It's so strong, in fact, that it's you can see the current flow here is all being shoved right through here and out to the northeast. So this will be quite interesting to see what happens if this follows the same path as Tropical Storm Kevin right up through there. All right, so here's the rainbow loop, and we can see quite an intense storm here right there. And something just happened. This loop is all screwed up. Let's go over here and look at the... all right, this is what I wanted to show everybody right here. This is the southwest rainbow loop. We can see a large thunderstorm being destroyed right here in this area. And let's go back and look at that in the visible light mode. And we can see some of the shock waves, the harp rings right down in this area. Okay. All right, well, I'm missing the water vapor loop here. Anyhow, these storms here are being destroyed. We can see some of that activity here. Some of the blast waves are visible. All right, and there is the intensity. We've got some pretty big thunderstorms already moving into Arizona right here. California is remaining pretty much dry except for out here by the Salton Sea. Okay. Here's the East Pacific water vapor loop. We can see that the storm is continuing in a northwest pattern, but we've got this very strong high pressure right here pushing right into the side of this storm to push it out into the Pacific Ocean. Now, this is maybe part of the plan that the National Hurricane Center knew about a few days ago, but either way, this is completely unnatural behavior for Mother Nature. This natural weather just doesn't show up on the doorstep of a hurricane and push it out of the way like this. This is just crazy stuff. All right. This storm has an eye wall, and so we'll keep an eye on all this, and we'll go ahead and do an update here later today. Okay, that's it.